Pinky, I want to summarize.
2013 में हाई कोर्ट ने
I want to summarize three things which, three things which Kumar Vishwas has said. No, for our viewers who may not understand the nuances of his Hindi, he says three things. He says, today I'm very disappointed that there was a personal attack being made on Arvind Kejriwal. A personal attack being made on his family. And coarse and poor language was being used to target Arvind Kejriwal. Then he talks about a certain 26-year-old minister who has 21,000 rupees, and he says it's sad and ironical that people of 111 crores in assets were questioning Rakhi Birla. But then, this is principally the point. He says, thank you very much by getting Yadurappa back into the party. You have shown once again that you have a we give a damn attitude on the fight against corruption. He's absolutely right. On fact, unless you want to take a selfish political perspective on this, Rahul Narvekar, would you like to support what he said?
Well, ultimately today Yadurappa ji does not stand under any charges aside from
he is being investigated for misuse of office. He is being investigated for misuse of office and a quid pro quo and recommending mining leases. Don't misrepresent facts.
Thank you very much for your addition of saying he's being investigated.
Yes.
Somebody is under investigation.
Yes, and not only is he being investigated. Not only is he being investigated. Not only is he being investigated. There is a charge sheet filed against him. And the charge sheet is filed in October 2012.
Arnav.
Briefly, yes.
Arnav, why don't you change the law of the land to say that if there is a charge sheet and a person is under investigation or a person is under trial,
why don't you care enough? No, why don't you? I'm curious. I'm looking at this debate happen. One minute. Pinky Anand, I'm looking at this debate happen. This is one thing which strikes me. Why don't the political parties care? Would you give an independent perspective, or will you give BJP partner perspective to the situation? One minute, Pinky Anand, I'm getting Rahul Narvekar to respond. Rahul Narvekar.
BJP has taken up each of the issues of corruption against 2G, against
go ahead, Rahul Narvekar.
Against Colgate.
Mr. Narvekar.
Well, at the outset, Arnav, let me tell you that the way you introduced me, I'm certainly not a critic of the Aam Aadmi Party or Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, but I would like to say that I appreciate merit. Now, insofar as Mr. Kejriwal is concerned, till date he has not proved any merit. There is no policy that he has rolled out. There is no decision that he has taken which deserves any merit. Number two, Mr. Kejriwal is the beneficiary of a clean slate. Mr. Kejriwal is the beneficiary of carrying no baggage. Okay. And Mr. Kejriwal is the beneficiary of the huge corruption scandals which Congress has unfolded. Now, having said that, you need to appreciate, Mr. Vinod Mehta was appreciating the speech of Mr. Kejriwal. I heard the speech as well.
No. First of all, the Congress has not unfolded any scam. The Congress has been exposed. Thank you. Small correction.
Yes, Congress has been exposed.
Yeah, Congress has been exposed.
Very well by times now on several occasions, and I must compliment them for that. Yeah. Now let me complete what I have to say. Now, Mr. Kejriwal today in his speech has given a long things to do list. It's nothing other than a things to do list. Everyone knows there's water shortage.
Are you feeling insecure?
Let me complete. I'm talking on merits. If you think I'm saying something which is incorrect,
because you've not come on fact. You don't come on fact.
If you think my facts are wrong, you correct me.
You are being rhetorical and you're not coming on fact.
Mr.
You are refusing to take a single factual question.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, if you think I'm factually wrong,
you're not taking a factual position. You're making a speech.
If you think
you are making a speech, there is a difference between.
So anyways, let me continue because now
you want to continue with your speech.
When Arnab Goswami doesn't let you continue, you're talking sense. So let me continue.
You want to continue with your speech.
Let me continue.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Narvekar does not want to answer any questions. He wants to make a speech, and I would like to declare here openly that I am going to stop Mr. Rahul Narvekar from making a speech. I want Rahul Narvekar to answer a question. I want Rahul Narvekar and everybody to answer specific questions to it. Come on, Rahul.
If you let
Rahul Narvekar,
allow me to
there is a in Gujarat, there is a water resources minister. His name is Babubhai B. Bokharia. He is sentenced to 3 years of imprisonment in the 2006 mining case by the Porbandar Sessions Court. He is found guilty in the 54 crore illegal mining case. Now I know nowadays in competitive politics, 54 crore was scam. No, 54 crore. You don't want to answer the question.
So, Mr. Arnab Goswami,
you want to ask the question.
If the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party and all the other parties in this nation are involved in some scam or the other,
we also
that makes Arvind Kejriwal and AAP holier than thou. Is that your definition of merit? If that is your definition of merit, then I'm sorry, it meets absolutely no logic.
You know something.
And number, please,
I'm going to put this to test today. I'm going to ask people to call in, Gaurav Bhatia. 1 second, Rahul Narvekar. Catch your breath, Mr. Narvekar.
Lots of it.
Catch your breath. Catch your breath because I have not run out of questions. You will run out of answers before I run out of questions.
Time. I'm worried about that.
Maybe you want the debate to continue for a long time. I can have a longer debate with you. But let's talk about the Samajwadi Party. Is it true that there were cases pending against Raja Bhaiya in the food grain scam when he was Food and Civil Supplies Minister in the Mulayam Singh Yadav government between 2003 and 2006? And is it true that he was remade a minister after the CBI gave him a clean sheet in a murder case, but despite the inquiry in the food grain scam still continuing? And would you say, Gaurav Bhatia, that this is the kind of politics you will continue to do? Arvind Kejriwal or no Arvind Kejriwal? AAP or no AAP? You will continue to make people like Raja Bhaiya ministers in the cabinet. Do you also have a we give a damn attitude as far as corruption and public anger is concerned? Or will you recheck what you've been doing?
Arnab, you just took Raja Bhaiya's name and you said that he was named in the food grain scam. So let me place the correct facts before you, that there was a CBI investigation that was ordered by the High Court. And a charge sheet was filed. He was not named in the charge sheet. This
same legal jugglery.
I'm just trying to factually correct you.
You want to use the legal jugglery?
It is not. Let me just make my point, Arnab. Let me make my point. If you remember, the maximum number of corruption scams that took place in the state of UP was in the BSP regime.
I know. You have always said that. It doesn't matter. Your competitive fight on who's more corrupt doesn't matter to me or to the viewer.
No, we the Samajwadi Party people fought against a corrupt regime, and
you also became corrupt.
UP voted for the Samajwadi Party. After coming in power, all the FIRs have been registered. Just a day back, even an FIR against Naseemuddin Siddiqui, where there is a scam of 1400 crores in constructing parks.
Why don't you understand this?
That is why.
Why don't you understand this? Why don't you understand this? Now you tell me this story, okay? Gaurav, you're a young politician, right? And Kumar Vishwas is, by the standards of Indian politics, is an adolescent at 43, right? And so is probably Rahul Narvekar. People have different expectations of young politicians. Now, the question is this. I think, with respect, your party showed a lot of arrogance, contempt for people, and you continue to show that arrogance when you oppose the Lokpal bill. Your party leader stood up on the floor of the House and says this Lokpal bill will create an atmosphere of indecision in the party. Will you admit today that you made the wrong noises? Do you think today, Gaurav Bhatia, you can still make... No, Gaurav.
May I answer now?
Are you changing the way you think?
May I answer?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. We wanted the Lokpal bill, and our party president, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, on the floor of the House said that we request the UPA government to have an all-party meeting and also incorporate the suggestions that...
No, this is not what he said. This is not what he said. Your party leader, this is not what he said. Your party leader's name is Ram Gopal Yadav. Ram Gopal Yadav stood up. Ram Gopal Yadav stood up in the... I remember this. I have an elephantine memory on this. Ram Gopal Yadav stood up in Parliament. You know what he said? You know what he said? You know what he said?
The UPA government and Mrs. Sonia Gandhi.
You know what he said? Your leader, with respect, had the temerity to shoot off the shoulders of our armed forces in trying to defend himself and his own party on charges of corruption. Is it or is it not true that your party leader said on the floor of the House that after the Bofors scam, the country could not get any new artillery gun? And he said there will be no file movement. No work will happen. This will be the state of affairs. Did your party leader use Bofors or not? Did he or did he not use Bofors to make his case against the Lokpal bill? Come on, tell me that.
What Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav was wanting to say was that there should be checks and balances.
Wanting to say, Rahul Narvekar, let's get to it.
Afraid of taking
I don't believe this. What do you mean wanting to say?
The Lokpal bill will be misused.
What do you mean wanting to say? What do you mean wanting to say?
And we were never against the Lokpal bill.
All of you are...
Arnab, if you allow me, the SP government in the state has been there for almost 2 years now.
No.
We have been exposing the scams of the BSP government.
Counters coming in. Vinod Mehta wants to come in. The reason, and I have not finished. The reason I'm asking this series of pointed questions today is simply to prove one thing, that on the issue of corruption, all parties are the same. All parties are the same. And this is where the Aam Aadmi Party is getting...
Why did Mr. Kejriwal take the support of Congress?
We'll come to that.
Why did the Aam Aadmi Party take the support of Congress to run this government?
You can disagree. You can disagree.
Why has support been taken? Is that the modicum of
no, one second.
Corruption?
You can. No, one second. You are all. No, 1 second. So Yediyurappa goes and Siddaramaiah comes in. 1 second. Let's get the Congress party. Sanjay Jha says I disagree. Siddaramaiah comes in. Siddaramaiah includes 2 ministers who are tainted with charges of land grab in the Karnataka government cabinet. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right or wrong, Sanjay Jha? It can either be right or wrong.
I can tell you that I have I can tell you I have read reports, but I don't know whether they have been convicted about it or not. Yes, there are allegations. I do agree to that.
So what?
I do agree to that. But I want to make a point here, since you raised an issue. I disagree to your point when you mentioned that listen, you're talking about a party, not 2 MLAs from one state. As a party, please let's acknowledge the reality that the action that we have taken against corruption, whether it's against our own people from our own party, and more important, is a question of what do you do with it. I think the legislation is what is going to ultimately ensure that we can obliterate corruption. And Rahul Narvekar, your party actually did not want the Lokpal. Arnab, Rahul Narvekar, Shiv Sena did not want the Lokpal.
Why is the Chief Minister
BMC is the most corrupt institution in India.
Against Narayana Rane,
you have ruined Mumbai
against 7
because of the corruption in BMC. And why were you against the Lokpal like the Samajwadi Party? Please explain to the people of India.
Point out one corruption
That's
scandal
a question
in the BMC.
that you can't afford
Don't talk rubbish. Point it out and then talk. Talk with facts. Don't talk in the air. You've done that always on channel.
Well, you have to just drive down Mumbai's road and see the potholes, and you know who's making money. Everybody knows that, Rahul. Please,
and that's why you're talking in the air.
For God's sake, let's not revisit an old area.
I will give you pointed questions.
I think the fundamental point, whether it's the RTI, whether it's a Lokpal, whether it's the future legislation, I think they will help prevent corruption. Although we need to make a lot more systemic reforms. And I think this fight against corruption is a good thing. I think the AAP party, if it's bringing the focus onto corruption,
empty promises and empty allegations. That's all.
I have one question. I have one question. 1 minute. I have one question. 1 minute. Sanjay Jha, question for you. Vinod Mehta, I'm coming to you. Sanjay Jha, question for you. Sanjay Jha
hasn't led a good Lokayuk bill come in Gujarat.
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute.
Ask Pinky Anand to respond.
No, I'm going to ask a very short question.
Why hasn't the Prime Ministerial candidate of the BJP allowed a good Lokayuk to happen in Gujarat? That's a very important question.
No. 1 minute, please. Everyone, 1 minute. Give me a minute. I am going to ask just one question. Vinod Mehta, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm going to come to you. I just want to ask one question to Sanjay Jha. Because, so Sanjay Jha, very brief answer if possible. Do you feel that the BJP has compromised itself and exposed itself by bringing Yediyurappa back into the party?
The answer is the Bhrashtachar Janata Party, as I call them, has always compromised with corruption. Whether it's Babu Bhai Bokharia, Yediyurappa, whether it's a CAG report, whether it's Purushottam
Solanki, question 2, counter question.
And I think they have
follow-up question.
The people of India.
Follow-up question. Sambit Patra joins us in the studio, opening up to calls. Follow-up question.